Now this is how you can change your Google Assistant voice on your Android phone. Let's get started. So what you need to do is to open up the settings app of your phone, then find the Google section on the left panel. Tap on Google and click on all services right here. Then from the options which appear, proceed to the search assistant, which is a bit below, which is actually called search assistant and voice. So click on that, it will move you over to a page like this where you can find some things, but go to the voice section and choose a voice. You should have a couple of different voices and options to pick from, so most definitely change it to something which you prefer. And that's going to be about it. Outside of that, you can still customize some other settings like the language and other regions, notifications, and the way you trigger the assistant. But the voice is basically right here. So thanks a lot for watching. Let me know below in the comments if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for the next tutorials in the future. And I'm going to catch you later when I publish the next video. So stay tuned and I'll see you then.